Probability test. Number 1. Bailey will roll a number cube and flip a coin for a probability experiment. The faces of the number cube are labeled 1 through 6. The coin can land on heads or tails. If Bailey rolls the number cube once and flips the coin once, which list contains only the outcomes in which the number cube lands on a number greater than 4? Question 2. Gabriel has these cans of soup in his kitchen cabinet. 2 cans of tomato soup, 3 cans of chicken soup, 2 cans of cheese soup, 2 cans of potato soup, and 1 can of beef soup. Gabriel will randomly choose 1 can of soup. Then he will put it back and randomly choose another can of soup. What is the probability that he will choose a can of tomato soup and then a can of cheese soup? Question 3. A bag contains 5 red marbles, 6 blue marbles, 3 green marbles, 4 black marbles, 2 yellow marbles. A marble will be drawn from the bag and replaced 100 times. What is a reasonable prediction for the number of times a green or black marble will be drawn? Question 4. At an assembly, 7 out of the first 10 students who entered the gym were carrying a backpack. Based on this information, if 700 students were at the assembly, how many students could be expected to be carrying a backpack? Question 5. The spinner shown is divided into congruent sections that are labeled 1 through 7. If the spinner is spun 1 time, what is the probability of the arrow not landing on a section labeled with an odd number? Question 6. Felix has a bucket of golf balls. The table shows the number of golf balls of each color in the bucket. Felix selects a golf ball at random. Based on the information in the table, which statement is true? The golf ball is more likely to be green than all the other colors combined. B. The golf ball is equally likely to be pink, white, orange, or green. They're all equal. C. The golf ball is 2 times as likely to be orange as it is to be pink. Or D. The golf ball is 7 times as likely to be green as it is to be white. Which one is true? Question 7. A number cube faces labeled from 1 to 6 was rolled 20 times total. Each time the number cube was rolled, the number showing on the top face was recorded. The table shows the results. The left side is the number showing on top face, 1 through 6, and the right side is how many times that number was showed, the frequency. Based on these results, what is the experimental probability that the next time the number rolled will land with a 5 or a 6 showing on the top face? Question 8. The manager of a movie theater randomly surveyed 50 people who entered the movie theater on Friday. The manager asked about the type of movie each person preferred. The results of the survey are shown in the table. Based on these results, which statement about a person who will go to this movie theater next Friday is true? A. The person is 3 times as likely to prefer comedy as horror. B. The person is twice as likely to prefer drama as horror. C. The person is less likely to prefer horror or drama than action. D. The person is more likely to prefer horror or comedy than action or drama. Question 9. A classroom is arranged with 8 seats in the front row, 10 seats in the middle row, and 12 seats in the back row. The teacher randomly assigns seats to students as they enter the classroom. What is the probability that the first student who enters the classroom will be assigned a seat in the front row? Question 10. Jack tossed a coin 3 times. Which tree diagram shows all the possible outcomes of the coin landing heads up or tails up? Question 11. The 200 students in a school band will attend an awards dinner. A random survey of 25 of these students was conducted to determine how many of each meal would be prepared for the dinner. The results of the survey are shown. 12 students wanted beef, 8 students want chicken, 5 students want pasta. Based on the survey results, which of these is the best prediction of the meals wanted by the 200 students? A. There are 16 students who want a beef meal. B. There are 52 students who want either chicken or pasta. C. There are 32 more students who want beef than chicken. D. There are 24 more students who want pasta than chicken. Question 12. The following lettered cards are placed in a bag. If you randomly select one card from the bag, what is the probability of selecting a card that is not a vowel?